This is a size 14 needle for a DP ballpoint. Machines that are designed to sew heavy materials come with a DP needle bar attached from the factory. If necessary, a DP needle bar can be installed even on a machine with a DB needle bar. A machine with a DP needle bar can be installed with any type of needle. A machine with a DP needle bar can be installed with any size needle. A machine with a DP needle bar can be installed with any type of needle. Leather point needles can be installed. Ball point needles can be installed. Needle sizes 9, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 can be attached to a DP needle bar. Most people have only one machine, and they need to sew all kinds of materials like fine fabrics, stretch fabrics, heavy fabrics, curtains, rexing, leather, etc. That's when having a DP needle bar and installing DP needles becomes important. Let me tell you another very important thing. Do not install DB needles on a machine that has a DP needle bar for any reason. The DP needle is thicker than the DB needle where it attaches to the sewing machine. I would suggest that even on a machine that uses a DB needle, it is always better to change the needle bar and use a DP needle. To learn more about needles, watch the videos in the playlist I have prepared about needles. To learn more about needles, watch the videos in the playlist I have prepared about needles.